Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, buddy. I'm long on IMRX. 311 is my current average. Have not added. Did you sell any of your ARBE overnight? Got up to 6. Got up to 5.
Yeah, I think I had the limit already gone already, so just logging in now.
Okay. This IMRX is not panning out just yet. That's where I bought it. It went to 349. It was 10%. I didn't sell it. I was looking for 65. Sometimes you get a little greedy. I didn't sell it. I should have sold it. I should have reloaded it because it's morning time. It's first with the operation. Hopefully it just gets a profit first anyway. Yeah, I am up 1500 already from that overnight position on ARBE. So far, quiet scanner. Yeah, Getty's and this, what was this? There was a merger between Getty and who? Getty Image and Shutterstock. So Shutterstock is going up and up and up. Thanks, Michael. Yeah, that was Benzinga was telling just that. What's the STTK, right? STTK. STK. Yeah, that's a healthy move, guys. 35%. That's a pretty healthy move. Thanks, Michael. IMRX is 5% in money again. It was up 10% plus. At 340, it gets 10% for me. It was 349. Come on, keep going. Yes. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. 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 Guys sold it for 11%. Sold it for 11% first win. And nicely up 2,800 now. So just did that, guys, right there. 345. 11%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. I'm going to sell another 1,000 shares, guys. I just did another 1,000 shares. Now I'm down to 1,100 shares. That was patience, guys. 40 cents on a $3 stock. That's not bad. Now I can reload. I should have not made this mistake the first time. You know how we do it? We repeat it, right? We rinse and repeat. So good to start the first win right off the block, guys. Got in right around 310. Sold it right at 350. There's 14%. Just heard. Here it comes. I'm going to sell about 700 shares at 372 for 20%. Can we do it? Can we? Hopefully you all took it long as well and held. It's 16%. There's a little rejection here. Tail and a rejection. I was going to go short in this area, but as of now, I made more money with the long, so why am I going to go short? XTIA. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm going to take one more shot out. Okay, just did another one for 18%. And I will take 700 shares at 372, and it's coming, and it's gone. 20%. There we go, guys. 20%. And that puts me for $3,700 to start my day. You guys took it? AKS?
I just logged in.
Oh my gosh, you logged in and it was at 310.
No, it's already 345 something.
Was it? Oh man, when you asked me, I said it was 311. Greg, where's everybody else? Anybody else is going to say they didn't take it?
Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, Rahul. Did you take it?
No, I just logged in. Which ticket it is?
HammerX. We went long at 310. There's the chart. You can log into YouTube or Twitter and you can see it live, but it's going to be delayed.
It's working live. I just checked it.
Thanks a lot, buddy. Thanks for checking. Linda, did you take it? I did 320, 350. Hey, that's still pretty good. That's still 10%. That is still 30 cents. That's still 30 cents, 9%. But you guys will be proud of my chart. Actually, we could have done it twice, right? We could have done this twice, Michael. We could have done this twice. Greg was asking. I'm interested if Greg took it. We could have done this twice. And 372, that was beautiful. ZENA. You know, yesterday we were talking about NARI. Somebody forgot to tell me when this stock was at 60 that somebody's paying cash $80 for NARI. Thanks a lot for doing your research. Only when I sat down after hour, I looked it up and it says $80 somebody offered them cash per share. And NARI was at 54 and 58 and 60 when we spoke about this in the room. And nobody mentioned that somebody's buying this for $80. It went to 80 yesterday. It's at 80 today. NARI. So thanks for sharing and being informative as a team, because nobody came up with that. Michael is doing all his bet. This morning he is giving all the good news about Getty and SSDK and IMRX for that matter. This was a short area on this, guys, IMRX, but I have a feeling because of the growth candles, this is a little more long. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my short position for a long position first. So I'm completely out. I am completely out. Average gain around 16.5%. 16.5%, guys. This was a short area. I said the first thing in the morning is like it's short at 365. And we would have made money at this as well. This was a short right at 365. Look at that, 335. We would have made our 35 cents, 36 cents. That's the first thing I said before going long. I said this is a short at 365, Michael. Look at that. This would have made a perfect long and a short.
STIA. Small caps.
Yep. This would have been a really good short as well. 10%. I mean, even if we didn't get 370, it was 365 to 335. Just bang. Looks like it will come down a little bit more. It will come down to 318. This is going to keep coming down. CING. Let's look at that. CING. Whoa, that is 18% and dropping. This is going to go more, guys. This is coming down to, I'll tell you, this is coming down to 318 right here. This IMRX is coming down to 318. This is full body, two full body back to back. This is two full body back to back. So I'll explain what full body looks like. I'll zoom in for you guys. This is a full body right here. This is a full body. Generally, when you drop, you're supposed to drop, but this is, I guess, fair gap value right here. But this and this happen to be pretty decent full body right here. So this is probably up to this point, 320. You see going it up, I see coming it down to 320 first. I mean, there's going to be pikes, but 320, it should hit it. Anyway, looking for another play now at this point. SPRC still holding, huh? SPRC. Wow. From yesterday. Yesterday's highs were into the 180. SPRC. SPRC. 1 hour candle. Yeah, 170. This is in a short area. 136, but not gonna worry about it. Not gonna worry about that.
GETY.
GETY. GETY on a daily.
Yeah.
It's pretty good at 4. It's pretty good at 440, guys. Pretty good. Pretty good. Lots of volume. What's the news?
Merger news.
Oh yeah, it's Getty. Yeah, yeah. It's a merger news. So no, we can't do anything with it. No, guys. That's what Michael just posted, and I were talking about Getty and SDTK, Shutterstock. They have a merger. Yeah, Michael just posted it again. Yeah, but that area is good on Getty. Well, today's area is 490, but on a daily, it's this area right here. Look at this, right this area. So I'll take this right at 447. That's pretty good. Obviously, 549 is pretty good. I like this 450, 460 area. 460 area. Both of them pretty weak stock though. Pretty weak stock. So IMRX is back at 365. Is this a short? So we'll have to,
The big gap to fill after.
there's a huge gap to fill right after that, all the way to the sixes, and the best is actually 474. So it is a short. It is a short with a 390 stop. It is a short with a 390 stop. It has only a data update. It's not like a phase 2 results. It's a data update. So the PR is quirky. PR is quirky, guys.
Are we going short or are we gonna wait for the?
No, wait for it. I want to see another candle of 400K and see what it does. These are grinders. We got to get in on a parabolic. That's when we have a best shot, right? Hold on, guys. Getty. That news made it. Getty still, to me, seems short, even with the barger. That needs to be at 460, 470. Dailies is 460. IMR arc search new high of the day, so we're not going to do it. This is 365 past. Let it create a nice range. This is on an upward swing right now. This is on an upward swing. I'll tempt it at 440. Let's see what happens. When was the last time IMRX ran? So it ran in September. This was the area. These were the areas to beat. There's a gap fill, 460. Here, this is what I'm looking at it, guys. So there's a gap fill right here. Once it passes this area, this was the strong area, 410 now. I'll be turning a short. I am going to look into the 440s. What is it going to be at 440? 620K. Not yet. 600K candle, biggest of the day. Oh boy. No. Come on. CRMD, we don't care. Come on, this is a nice parabolic. Still no entry for us yet. It's coming. So sellers are here. Sellers are here. They're holding the prices. We'll find out. Man, we sold it at 370. How nice that long would have been. %. 380K. I'm going in, guys. I'm going in with my short. I'm going to play up to 480.
I am in 430. At 470s.
Yeah. Adding. Oh boy. Now we need some sell here, buddy.
For 80 stop.
490 at this point. Cut your size at the average.
Yeah.
98%. Come on. One more dip. Nope. This is not relenting here. Okay. We got to get out. I'm out. out. We'll come back again, guys. I'll come back with 3,000 shares one more time. Not now. 455, 490, so ended up giving them 35 cents. Nope. No short yet.
Yep.
It's a full body though, but no short. Daily. Where is the next area? 581.
Yeah, next is 570 plus.
RVSN. I don't know what's trying.
News on RVSN?
Yeah. Indian Rail Vision something on RVSN. It's moving based on that. Indian Rail Vision. Okay, now it looks like short. This looks like a short here. Oh, come on. One more, come on. Push up. Now this looks like a short. And if it breaks over 484, it becomes long. It's 100%, 13 million volume. Okay guys, let's go long here. Long, one more. There's going to be a dip right here.
65.
Let's take this, yeah. RVSN, that has a news, good news, guys. Okay, so our job is to recover 30 cents first, all right, guys? Oh, come on, dude. Break it. It did get to 95.
Yeah, I was waiting for 504.
Yeah, this is not good. There's still buys though. Needed to push it past that channel. Would have gotten our longs another one. There we go, coming again. One more. Nah, it's gonna be a while now. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be like few candles before. But RVSN, guys,
We missed
buy that on the dip anywhere.
This one we're gonna add 435.
Which one? IMRX.
Okay.
Yeah. RVSN, like I said, good news, guys. It's 15%, 14% up already. Oh, come on, dude. Here we go. Sold it at 199 from 175. I just did that, guys. You guys can see that live feed. Just made a pretty hefty gain on that one. RVSN. We don't want to get this stuck at 470 here. It's back at our average. Last 2 days longs have been available. This was another long IMRX. RVSN would be a dip buy again. Would be a dip buy again, guys. RVSN hasn't run in like,
Months.
no, it did run 317 just a couple of days ago, just yesterday. But 210, 220, yeah, 210, 220 should come up. Yeah, this PR is good because this PR with the Indian Railway, they depend on railways.
Whenever they come with a PR, they come with like multiple PRs.
Yeah. This was a dip buy, I didn't buy it. got up to 180. Yeah, this is going to be a while on IMRX now. IMRX is going to be a little while. There's 204. There's 211. I was expecting it to get to 211, 220. I just done 211. I need to be worried about IMRX being a little spitter here. Okay, I'm selling more, 20%. Just took 212 just now for 20% on RVSN. And this is coming 5% down. I'm getting all out on RVSN now, guys. All out. All out RVSN. That was pretty good, guys. 40 cents. 40 cents on RVSN. But 40 cents means percentage. Percentage is what counts more than the cents. I was expecting it to get to 220. I sold it just before 220, all of it. Could have bought that again because it fell all the way to 180. My average was 175. Come on, IMRX. I think IMRX we might be better off selling right around 495. 490 actually.
Yeah.
It's below moving average, so it's not a good sign. There's the short, would have paid on RVSN as well. 220 to 193. But it's not up enough for us to short. We cannot short. We cannot short on RVSN at 20%, guys. Heck no. Okay. IMRX is back at our average.
Just heard.
And above moving average. 193, 220 RVSN would have done it. 191 now. 220 was the area to get to. That's it. And you guys can see my chart where I sold it. Sold it beautifully. Right from 175. First sell, $2. 2 sells at 218. Now this is what we need to do. 75. Can we get a little bit more highs on here? IMRX. It's 480. It's going to be a while. This is not a breakout candle by any means. You're going to need a breakout candle. This, which is 750K. But hey, 490, I'm taking it. All right. I'm taking this 490. I just took it, guys. It's $5. I just recovered it all. I'm all out. Hell with it. It's a 520 AKS. Take your money, run with it. Yeah, take your money, run with it. So guys, here, lesson. Enter at 440, enter at 470, average 457, got out at 490. Turned back in 465, sold it at 490 and 5s. Got all out right there. So made 35 cents back. But meantime, in the morning, I went long. Oh, I'm explaining in the wrong areas. Here we go. Long 308, sold it average 370, 365. Went short 440, added 477, stopped out 490. Went long 465, sold it at 5, right there. All out. Would have been patient, I would have made money 30 cents, but right now it was a recovery. That loss was a recovery. That also means, guys, that also means is that I am up 4,500 for the day. There you go. I can post the charts for you guys for the RVSN. RVSN could have been short, but it was just not up enough. It was up like some 30%. 30%. This is RVSN. IMRX. We tried our best. 65 area short. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. There's 3 plays. Meantime, we held a position on ARBE overnight, and this thing has done 490. We are holding it from what, 408, 409. So that's pretty substantial. 15% gain on there as well. This IMRX is looking dangerous. Somebody's putting up 1 million volume, not even thinking remotely on going short till market time, till it starts fading.
Yep.
We have the locates. We're going to be all right. They can increase the locate prices and whatnot. That's fine.
IMRX, another pop here, $5.52.
If we had added, we would have gotten our average to 450. That would have made us money. Anyway, RVS and AMOD. I didn't even see AMOD. So let's take a look at AMOD. Did anybody else jump into RVSN long or no?
I did not.
Anybody else in the room? Like nobody is there? How many people have taken IMRX and RVSN or IMRX itself? I know Linda has taken it. Only played IMRX. Linda has taken it once. I know that she made a really good one. Look at that. This is 8 o'clock, guys. This is 8 o'clock. You're flat. Yeah, you should be flat only on that. ACTU is offering, and they have a same time pancreatic cancer news as well. Very nice, very nice. This IMRX is looking another proportion, guys, right now. On a daily, the gap is being filled. It fell from 663, so have another $1 to go, guys. This has another $1 to go. ARBE is going to hold and it's going to go higher, guys, today. Remember I said ARBE and FUBO both are swing. You know, yesterday this STT guy, Tim Bowen, was arguing with me. He's like, STT is not a swing long. I'm like, yeah, it's a swing long. It freaking went to 660. It went to 660. Guy doesn't even have a clue what's swing and what's not. He cannot differentiate the news. He was like, no, it's gonna be done in a day. There's an investigation going on. And all I kept looking at is like, there are people, oh, there's an investigation going on. They don't realize Disney buying 70% of their, stake, and Cuban holding, and transition between them. It's some serious money. It's like they're fighting Elon Musk
RCLT
with Tesla.
Just heard.
receives breakthrough therapy designation from the FDA for sudden
It's at 533.
hypoglycemia due to congenital hyperinsulinism. That's Romeo Zulu
And
Tango,
7 near 8. 6 was definitely crossable. 7, they probably will do it for 2 days and then drop. They'll get back to 5, 4. Disney is going to probably keep them float for next 6 months over $4 on Fubo.
IDAI Trust Stamp, pricing their offering of 414,000 shares at warrants.
Small caps.
IDAI is offering.
45 cents. That's India Delta Alpha India.
Yes, ANVS up and down. There was a number on IMRX, this area, at 582 as a gap fill. They did not get there. So they have a bump up still. They have a bump up. ARBE is a day 2 runner, guys. It is going to run even today. You're mistaken if you're thinking this is short. ARBE from yesterday. Fubo would have one more peak to touch 6.
Contract news spiking now 77 cents. SYRA.
Nothing else is on the scanner that I'm liking it.
ECRX, Placira Biosciences, received FDA 510(k) clearance for operated smart tip to manage
This IMRX is still long, guys. It's still a long.
branch nerve block. That's Papa Charlie Romeo.
584 is the one area they haven't even touched, so they're going to go there. They're going to try to take advantage of this. What time is it? 8:04. Can we do another long?
MO,
So our best long entry is 486, 485.
expected to be at the low end of its original guidance range of 191 to $202 million.
We were to go long on IMRX, guys. Your best entry is going to come right around 486, 485.
versus the
Right there.
$196.5 million estimate.
Just heard. HammerXTraders.
Yeah, 3.5 million at the market. He said 400,000 shares. I looked it up. This Benzinga guy said that's a pretty good drop, though.
Which stock? bro?
IDAI. Linda just posted it. So it was up at $18. It was $18 just yesterday. Not yesterday, on 31st, I believe. And even yesterday, not yesterday, 12/2, it was $17.
Small caps.
It was a reverse split though, right? You know that, right? One for 15.
Okay, but when was the reverse split?
January 2nd on Thursday.
Okay. So they were at 18 after reverse split. Okay. And now they're offering again 3.5 million.
NVGS, Navigating Gas and Mission.
Small caps.
That's good info, guys. Good info.
Free handy-sized liquefied ethylene gas carriers. That's November
IMRX
Sandy.
still coming down. There's 487. LFWD offered LFWD. LF. I know that was up. This one dilutes big time. LFWD. Direct mic. Oh wow. Pike. We should take this one, guys. LFWD. When it pikes up, it gets to like 340, 330. We take this.
J&J, Johnson & Johnson, Rockford.
It's already dropped pretty big. You just need a bounce, guys. It's still falling. LFWD does not want to come up.
Just heard.
SYRA continued to spike here now, 94 cents. And Yankee Romeo Alpha on their contract news.
SYRA. Can somebody find out what the contract is? Because they have a ways to go to 138.
SYRA.
And this thing did 80, 95, 93 IMRX. And now it's moving.
SYRA had a contract with Washington DC government.
What's the contract value?
Here looking.
Okay, thanks, Mark. 1 million. So IMRX got in the long area, is in the long area.
Just heard.
$1 million contract, and they are just so shockingly going up. But they have 128 to get to. 128 to get to. %. They have, so you can buy and sell it at 108.
SYRA 98 cents now.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go long on SYRA, guys. Come on, break one.
Long 95s here.
Yeah.
CTXR
Don't do that. Don't do that.
and CTOR, Citius Pharma and Citius Oncology highlight in-fear commercial launch plan for the first half of 2025. That's Charlie Tango X-ray Romeo, Charlie Tango Oscar Romeo.
Don't do that, dude.
Small caps.
The full body.
Yeah, we'll have to be forced to buy some more. I'm gonna go a little long on IMRX as well. Try to get in under 5.
Small caps.
What will be your ad, right? Where would be your ad?
Right here, let's add right here. We'll go with very small size as opposed to last time. We'll go with like 20% size. And our best
Nice,
ad
yeah.
at this point is 460.
No, SYRA.
Oh, SYRA. SYRA, we cannot add till 79. 79. SYRA.
SYRA.
It's coming. Big drops. So I'm gonna buy 465 on IMRX, and this one 79 unless it gets me over 108. Hopefully it gets me at 108, 109. One more push. Not looking good though. Especially 74% doesn't look good on penny stocks. They get angry and they just slam it. LFWD just, Linda, did you get that one? LFWD, because it just didn't bounce. It's just going down and down. And it has a lot of room to go down to 140. Has a lot of room to go down. Oh, you're in at 270. Good choice.
Touch, man.
That's okay. We'll be okay. Yeah, this is win some, lose some. We'll get an average of 86. What is breaking out? INVZ from a couple days ago. VZ. INVZ on daily. Okay, guys, so 86 is the average right now. We're gonna cut size at 86. It gets there. INVZ, guys, is a short at $3 plus. $3.04. It's 31%. INVZ was a penny stock, really tiny stock.
What's the area?
$3. $2.80 is one area, but the high side is right around 309. 309. Come on, Sierra. Don't be a punk here. 72 would be a stop on SYRA, guys. Now, INVZ is an entry area. However, we cannot take this area of 275. Cannot take 32%. I don't know, should we take and bail out on Sierra? 30, never mind, now it's down. Oh boy, 85, it just couldn't get it. 86, I wanted to bail out most of my size. 275 on INVZ. That was one area, and then after that is 309. Now Sierra is being game here. And VZ is back over 32%. There's game on Sierra for right now. 83. Need a one nice candle to break out. If they don't break this, we're in trouble with Sierra. They're gonna lose 14 cents on a pretty good hefty size. Not 14 cents, yeah, 13 cents. Looking badass now. Could not make a move. Could not break it above the moving average. Punks. INVZ 25 cents drop.
Did not get up to the.
It was a weaker area at 79. Yeah, this thing is gonna make us lose hard loss on SYRA.
Come on.
That was a badass area. That's where they dropped it from. We should have never gotten in at 95. I was just looking at the after this break of dollar, it's $1.40, $1.24. I was like, they'll probably get it to 120. Come on, push it up. Need a couple of big candles. Problem is now they're like 68 percenters as opposed to 90% and 100%. They barely did 100%. Barely.
IMRX.
Come on, get me 86, dude. Nah, it's not. Just dumbass. Okay, INVZ is trying. Volume is 10 million now. It's no longer A plus. Candles are big. The price don't move. Price don't move but 8 cents on INVZ. That's something to keep an eye on for later on. Oh, we're gonna lose now, guys. We'll have to stop out. This is done. This is full body on Sierra. Doesn't look like it wants to move. Is it? In INVZ? NVIDIA collaboration news.
Which one? IN.
Yeah, guys, sell out on Sierra. Out. Out, out. Out, guys. Out, out. Take 75, get out.
Out on.
Yeah, 75 out. 86 to 75, 11 cents. But more importantly, it's a bigger percentage loss. So I went from, guys, I went from 4,500, what was I earlier? Down at 3,500 now, just ended up giving $1,000. Exactly $1,000 gone on that loss. $1,000 loss on that one. Made a bad choice. I just saw that once I got in. Again, if you see, this is where they dropped it. 99 is where their drop is. I'm usually very careful about the drop. This is what they dropped from. If you guys see this on the video screen, 99 is where they drop it from.
You said some 120 was the level. I did not check it, but
Yeah, no, then there was a 125 with the wick where after this they could have flown up to. So we're trying to get it from 93 to 108. That was the idea. That was the idea.
we should have waited. It broke $1.
Yeah, should have should have waited for $1 break, and then a little bit of dip at 95, 97, and that would have gotten us to 117, 120. That would have been easier. We tried to take it on the. I mean, I took it on the dip. It went to 98. I took 93, and it went back to 96, but didn't do anything after that. So that was kind of like, oof. And then a full body kind of maintained it. I mean, I was so close to getting out also. 86, 85. It would do 85, 84, 85. Just would not touch 86. I would have taken most of my share out. So the loss would have been just about $400, $300, as opposed to $1,000. It took me 3 plays to build 4,500. It took me 1 play to lose about $1,000. It's okay. It's still a healthy morning. 3,500 for now. LIFWD. I was like hoping that it would get to like somewhere around 280. Linda got in at 270. She chased it perfectly placed. Because this is going down, you know, to what was the daily I said? 140. 174 for sure. 38% down. Literally no scope of it's coming back. INVZ is back.
Innoviz Technologies moving back towards the highs again, $2.
13 million volume. Did INVZ not offer, guys, recently? They had an offering too, right? INVZ? Or they had no dilution yet? Linda? You can look it up, probably.
NVZ.
They had any recent dilutions?
Yeah, I don't see anything. Maybe Linda can confirm.
So again, collaboration news, right? INVZ just a collaboration news.
CRCN and then ARB, and this one is INVZ now.
Cutting edge perception software features. Okay. And now Sierra is being stupid. There was no area at 73. There was no area at 73. Why would you go that far, you idiot? Let's look at another stock, guys. MDIA. Wow. That's down and out. Came back at 148. Why is the scanner telling me 148? It's at 99 cents. Wow, Sierra, look at that. Went to 73, bounced to 80. Not that it's coming up or anything. It's just a pike. That's not a move. Moves are probably done. So what is that news over there? I can't even read that thing. I gotta zoom it up. I gotta save that. Copy image. Okay, let's see. I have to put in the Word document to zoom it up. It looks so small. Okay, regain compliance. That's what it is. Okay. Perception software to announces. No, this is oh, this is an Israeli stock. Compliance, okay. Minimum bid and all that. Okay. Setting it up. Wow. LFWD 174. 173 for that matter, guys. That's a big miss on that one.
HOTH, Hot Therapeutics, achieved breakthrough in phase 2A trial. HTO01 delivers 100% success.
Guys, H2 long on HTOH.
Hotel Oscar Tango Hotel,
Which one? H?
Hot.
HPOH.
Hot Therapeutics. 100% breakthrough.
100% of patients in cohort 1 achieved primary efficacy endpoint. No change in
HOTH.
adverse effects observed. Hot says preserves cancer treatment efficacy.
Cancer treatment. This is running, guys. This is running. I am already 20% in money with 8,000 shares. It's running. It's 100%. This is awesome news on this one. 100% efficacy.
Hot shares spiking to $1.30.
Buy the dip on this one.
The highs. That's HOTH.
Buy the dip. I'm back over 5,400 again. Went straight in at 110, sold it at 130, guys. 132. Still have 2,000 shares left. That was bang bang. This is going higher, guys. Hoth is one of those what's his name? Not Jeffries, the other people. It's their stock. This is gonna keep running, guys. They have a better news than the other one.
2.7% imports of 351.56 billion.
And it is a cancer news. It is a cancer news, guys. Selling 1,000 more shares at 152. Just sold it. Everybody should have jumped on this no matter where you were. Okay, that's a 40 cents. So SYRA can take a hike.
BTCS.
SYRA can take a hike, guys.
Get in on SYRA or?
No. I'm saying SYRA can take a hike. Meaning
Oh,
you
yeah.
can do whatever. Take my 10 cents. Meantime, Hoth is going to give us the money. That's a serious news on Hoth, guys. 50%. That is literally, it's going over $2. This is going over $2, guys. This is going over $2. Hoth generally is a good stock around $1.90 if Louisa would remember this. We sold it from 1 to 190 one time. So 190 should happen. 190 out to happen.
QUBT, Quantum Computing secures third purchase orders for TFL and Photonic Chip Foundry, concluding 2024 pilot launch program. That's Quebec Uniform Bravo Tango.
Everything is a dip buy here. So we wait for a good news, we jump in early. Look at that. Everything is a dip buy. This is headed toward 190, guys. 190. Nice one, Mark. Great going.
Just heard.
Good chase.
Off.
I'm going to start selling my stuff. 170 just did that for 51%. 190 is my last sell. And then after that, whatever, man. Whatever. Take my profit and walk away. Just made a huge profit. Got in at 110, guys.
It's 130, 129.
You got it 129, but you should have sold more than 70%, 60% by now. This is 190 still coming. INVZ down and out 238. Yes, 190, 210, that's where it gets to. But today's news, I wouldn't be shocked this thing going really heavy. 3s, 280s. I would not be shocked, but we have made our money, so we can be at peace. It's not like how much can you make. It's like how often you can do, how quickly you can do. 190 is still on the card, guys. 190 is on the card. Watch it. $190 is coming. You can be sure of it. Another 30 cents. There's 175, 177, 190. Did I say that 190 was coming, guys?
Yep.
Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. All right, 185. That was my goal, guys. That's it. Guys, all out. All out on hot. All out. All out on hot, guys. You can do whatever he wants. I told you guys 190. Louisa, you would remember this one. Louisa, she's in the room. Remember Hoth? You sold it at 190 from $1?
Announcing pricing of public offering,
Alpha Michael Sandy Tango offering. Alpha Michael Sandy Tango. AMSD offering. What is the price they're offering at?
$3 per share.
$3 per share. So, okay, never mind. Guys, Hoth was going to do this. But my job is to take profit. My job is basically to make, I mean, this was lucky where we got 32% accumulated. I mean, this is literally 80%. So I only made 32%, but that's how I do it. I don't care. This is going higher. These dips are going higher. I can literally buy back and I can go on it. So guys, very nicely up 6,500 again this morning. 160 to 185. Beautiful. Louisa, you could have taken way earlier, 130s. But beautiful though. Beautiful. This is going there, guys. This has a solid news. It's gonna go a lot higher than you guys think. This can make your account actually. 130 to 176. Awesome, Greg. Glad you guys chased it. When I said chase it, chase it. I know we got beat on Sierra, but so what? Both charts are open. Look Sierra and look at Hoth on the video feed.
Both are like opposite proportion. Huh?
Exactly, they're opposite. Nice, very good, very good. This is going higher, guys. This is serious stuff.
Just heard.
I don't have any more position. I will probably jump in at some point another long. I will. But not now. Man, we haven't shorted anything today, right? We tried one short and it failed.
Paychecks,
Yeah, it's only one short. And this one,
two-part pay for
Which one?
50 per share.
IMRX, Raj.
Which one?
IMRX.
IMRX. Okay, okay.
15%, right?
Yeah. I got position 700 shares in it.
Yeah, I have the two. Sure.
Again, paychecks to acquire pay for $22.50 per share.
This is more than what I'd like. So I'm gonna add here AKS, add it immediately, and sell it at 445. Add it here, sell it at 448. Okay. On IMRX. Guys, add 420 with the 395 stop. So it's going to be 25-cent stop, and let's target first sell right around 450 plus. Hoth is probably another entry at 158 area, 160 area. It got as low as 168, 167. It was 10 cents away from another entry. There's 48, guys. There's 48.
Yep, I cut my size. Watch, nice.
Let me take Hoth out. Let me put up this IMRX, guys. Look at that. This is how we did this. IMRX got in at 413, 420 right here, and sold it at 454. In fact, I'm going to sell my entire position, so not to worry about it. I just got all out of IMRX, guys.
Right, me too, Raj.
465 it is, 460, 470. So that's 50 cents on you. And Hoth has just given an entry. Hoth has just given an entry. I have not taken it. I'm going to hold on to it. 840 right now. I'm watching. I have a good $6,993, almost 7,000. So I'm going to chill. But that was your entry on Hoth right there. Now Hoth is going to do 240 from here. I'm chilled. Like I said, you can take so many plays here, guys. You cannot do over and over and over. But this was your Hoth was entry. And I said that 20 minutes ago. What did I say? Take a look. Somebody please tell me what did I say entry was? And look, I'm marking it on the video. Did it get there?
Yep.
Yes. That was your entry. Went to 175, but 175 is nothing. This is actually going to keep going up. It's going to keep going up. This will rocket. Watch. These are bag holders as of now. First line of profit takers who are taking profits. Once they're gone, this is going to launch itself. And a good choice to walk out of IMRX for 50 cents gain, guys. Good choice.
Yep, definitely. Good call.
I'm going to stay put, not take Hoth just yet. But there's going to be a lot more volume on Hoth very soon. Hoth's results are just outstanding from 100% efficacy and no patient something. You know, everybody gave a positive one, even in their testing. It was phase 2 or phase 1? Can somebody confirm that?
Phase 2.
Phase 2. So that's even better.
Yep.
That's even better. But that's your entry area. Still is in the entry area. Hold tight from this entry. I'll chill for now because you don't want to give your gains. You overplay, you think everything is like right away, right away, right away. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Every entry, you're like, no, you cannot take every entry. You got to calm yourself down. I know that's an entry. I know IMRX is going to go over 5 as well. You just chill. Make your money. There's going to be areas. You're going to be, so you don't know every single area that there is. They're going to create new areas altogether. Sierra had us beat, guys. I mean, I would have bailed out 86. I was like even thinking like, why not take a 2% loss instead of 11%? I would have done okay if I would have taken 2% loss. But then again, hey, I went from 45 to 35 and I'm up at 7. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Just started.
Guys, I'm chilling for now. I am tempted now on Hoth. It's kind of consolidated. I could see a dip a little bit more to 151, but this is your entry area. I could see the dip being right around 151 and 148, just a little bit more, and then bouncing it up to 220s and more. I can see that on Hoth. I'm tempted. I am tempted. Should I take about 3,000 or 4,000 shares? I mean, I did pretty big. It's a 151 right now. This is the entry.
These are not like full bodies. Right?
This one is full body. The one it's doing it, it's an absolute full body. Absolute full body. Okay, I'm gonna go in, guys. I'm gonna go in long.
Okay.
I'm in.
Just started.
What is breaking out? ANVS. ANVS. Wow. What happened there? ANVS, it's area right at 10. Wow. 10? It's straight up 10, guys. ANVS.
Alzheimer's.
That is an area, guys. It's at 10.
Phase 3 Alzheimer disease study accepted by FDA.
Ooh. That's a biggie. Lots of crazy stuff going on. Guys, I am in only 2,000 shares on HOT just as of now. I started with 10,000 plus. ANVS dropped $1. Not going long on it, but there's 10 on it, guys. On a daily, look at this. This is the area. 10.15. 10.15. Look at that. That's pretty strong. 10.15 is pretty darn strong. 10.15. But it already piked up so quick that we could not do any long. And obviously 8.30 I'm afraid to do short right now with the 10 looming on it. It would have paid. 8.40 would have paid big time.
Yep. Our favorite number.
I know, right there. So this was the 870 number right there. Look at this. On the, if you guys see on the video, I know it's going to be lagging, but look at this number. So I'm going to mark it so you guys can see it both ways. So this is your first area right there. Okay? Then your second area is touching, bring it down a little, right there. That's it. So those are the two numbers. It would have paid. It's at 6 now. Wow. So the first area was around 880. And it got to 880. It was quick. It was quick. But it was there at 830 for us to take it. Guys, I will take my 14% on hot, and that is going to be roughly around 174, okay? I'm not into making gazillion all at once, okay? I'm not. I'm not into making gazillion all at once. You're working with the wrong mentor if you're thinking that, you know, I'm going to take the beast out of everything. But 10%, 12% accumulated all day long is fine. That's my style. And you do it 8 times. 8 times. Before you know it, it's 8 times, 10 times, guys. Wow. ANVS. What a nice little drop.
Yeah, the news does not make any effect on people. FDA accepted phase 3 Alzheimer disease study.
Probably was not a good one. Actually, doesn't seems to be a good.
Radio, getting some big volume coming in now. Shares,
They accepted, so they must have.
5 cents.
So I'm trying to make sense.
That's my goal.
Let me look up the news anyway.
Good morning. Anything besides Hoth open?
Lots of things. The entire stock market is about to open, Ira.
I know. I just came in the office now.
So there's no short for us right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're long in
Hoth,
hot.
you-
We are long in hot,
long
and
in
it's 12%.
Okay, thank you.
It's a day for Rahul.
Okay, guys, you can take your 10% here if you want. It is 10% plus. I'm going to go ahead and pull it. I just did 168.
Yep.
All right, guys, I just did 168. Now, this is how I changed my plans. I mean, I had 174. I changed it to 168. I had 151 entry. Made 10%. sold pretty much all my shares. I had 2,000 shares. I'm just left with 200. 200. That's it. I could care less where the stock goes now. This is still going to go high. I'm telling you this. This will be over $2 and $2 near 270 today at some point. Watch out. If you're patient enough, 260, 270, this is the type of stock that will do it. And watch how many halt it does. It's going to do it. 26 million volume it's attracting. I took more than 90% position out right then and there. Just accumulate it. Put me to 7,400. Put me to 7,400.
Just heard.
I'll pick another spot on Hoth. I will make some more money. There might be even a short at some point. There's nothing forever long, okay? There's nothing as forever long. There you go. This is 168 again. So there's nothing forever long. Just like ANVS, look at that. It's going in red. Freaking missed it. Missed it big time on ANVS, guys. Saw the area, saw the numbers. Our entry right around chase at 810, sell out at 740 would have been perfect. And Hoth is still going to outperform $2. Watch out. ANVS is in red. Is in red. In red now. Look at that. What did I say? 74 was going to happen or not going to happen? I just took my profit. That's all. And you guys are going to thank me, Hoth, over $2. You're going to thank me for sure. Guys, it's 9 o'clock for me. 7,400 is pretty good. 11,000 is what I did pre-market yesterday and ended up finishing 24.25. So today is another good morning. Almost everything has been long. Crazy, right? Crazy. What is this? Not liking it. But hey, money is money. Again, we're the only rare people who can go long and short. Long and short, guys. We failed on one short. That's it. You follow me, guys, you're going to be in great shape.
Just heard.
I mean, like I said, Hoth is going to go over 2 and everything. If you get in, get out with me. Obviously, you're following me. But if you hold it, you're also good. But this is my morning so far, guys. Hey, AKS, let's take a poll. How many people think Hoth is going to be at 245?
Sure, yeah.
Let's take a poll. You can put my name on there first. That I am saying 245.
$40 plus.
Yeah. So put like 245. Put 130. Well, actually 140 still can happen. Yeah, just put 1. Yeah. How many people? Yes or no? Just put that.
Oh, okay.
Yes or no? Will Hoth reach 245? Yes or no? So INVZ made a lot of ground, guys. You guys can vote in the pre-market itself, guys. First vote casted. That's me.
Small caps.
INVZ could be a grinder, but upside. Upside, guys. It could be a grinder, but an upside.
Small caps.
This NVIDIA collaboration news.
On INVZ, yes.
Yeah, that's the real.
No, but they dipped it all the way to 230.
Oh, yeah.
So they're dipping. They're coming up. They're dipping.
AEP getting a new CFO, Alpha Echo Papa.
HammerXTraders.
STRO, Super Biopharma, and Veritrol Inca.
So we have 10 people and 5 votes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 people and we have 5 votes.
UNF and CTAS. Synthesis proposes to acquire.
I guess the rest of the people are still enjoying their morning coffee.
Cash, that's Charlie Tango Alpha Sandy.
There's 175. Rahul, this is for you, baby.
Yep, I just said it's a day for Rahul.
Yep. But Rahul is going to say, I haven't taken anything. Watch, Rahul is going to tell us that.
No. Come on, Rahul, don't disappoint us. I think once it breaks through this area,
Yep.
it can go again. Only 100% up at 115.
Mm-hmm. Rahul, what's up, buddy? You're not even typing. Where is he? He's not in. He was in. Where did he go? He was in earlier. right, guys. Pretty nice pre-market. Everybody's green in pre-market. Everybody's doing good.
Small caps.
Nice one, Linda. Very nice, very nice. Two wins. Very nice, Louisa. Awesome.
20.
Mark, awesome.
Hammer.
One win only for Mark. Why one win? We have had like 7 plays. 7, 8 plays. 2 wins, 1 loss, AKS. Half of daily goal met. Already in pre-market. That is nice, AKS. Yeah, let's rock this one today. Serve is offering 80 million direct. What's the price? Serve is, yeah, Serve was holding forever, guys. Serve was holding forever. But I don't see any dip here. Oh yeah, what's the price? What's the price they're offering? Because this was a $4 stock. Price, guys, price would matter. Because they have done 18 before. This is their bottom. 20 is their bottom. Direct offering, Linda. Any more news on that? So guys, this is their bottom right here. Yeah, that would be the key. 80 million is a lot, because this is their bottom right here. Let me explain it to you guys while we're doing this. So look at daily. This was a $4 stock. Of course, you guys know that because I was long on this from $4. So if you go on daily, this is bottom right here. Not daily, rather intraday. Now go on 1 hour.
Financial results.
And these two areas, 1853 and somewhere around 1533. Those are the key areas.
Tango, Oscar.
Just turned.
80 million. So price is 80 million, right? 80 million, that must be the dollar value.
But they
Then.
did not disclose the dollar value.
Okay,
It's
so
80
divide
million.
that. 4 million. 4 million divided by 80 million. $19. That's it. That's it, guys. Takes a little wise to. So they're smart. They don't want to do the shady stuff. Nice one, Sony. Very nice. Guys, serve is headed toward 19 basically, and that's bottom. 4 million shares. That's what they're doing. 80 million. They're gonna make it. And 4 million, they're gonna make that. Yeah, $19 is what they're offering at. Has another 20-30 cents more to go. That's it. 20-30 more cents to go. This is their first offering in a while, right? They haven't offered.
Yeah, they have an offer.
Yeah, they were holding. That's the one, the groundbreaking NVIDIA partnership, whatever.
Yeah, that's
They were the
first
first
news
one. They
NVIDIA
were the original 4 months ago.
Yep.
Greg, I remember you missed this one. $3.70 long swing. $3.30 long swing. Sony, are you back?
Just
Or are you still enjoying your Spain trip?
And so UN SoundHound AI, they use its first ever in-vehicle voice assistant with on-the-go food ordering. Sandy Oscar Uniform November.
on Sunday. Nice.
Just started.
But you should do that calculation, right? Like 80 million divided by 4.
So they're offering $18 million value.
Right. Yes.
So the stock is priced as 22. If you do 4 million shares,
Just started.
what is it?
4 million shares from where?
From 22. $22.
okay.
$22 per shares.
Mm-hmm.
1 million shares is 22 million, correct?
Okay, I see. I got it now. Mm-hmm. 4 million shares on that. Yeah.
Yes. And look at that, there are 19. That's another way to calculate. And I told you guys it's going to do 1920, and it is 1920 right now. And they bounced it from 19 as well. You can see that.
Small caps.
Hoth is going to be one more long. Just going to pick my spot to get an entry. This is still the entry area. 158 and below is an entry area. But I'll take time on it. KITT is also dropping 14%. CRMD.
Oh, yesterday.
So how accurate that number was, served at 1920 and it's back at 20. It will go as low as what? 1920. But here's the problem. Here's the problem, guys. Here's the problem. What's the volume right now? 1.4 million. They still have to do another 2.6 million. That's another calculation, just letting you guys know. So they have done 1.4 million so far. They still have to do 4 million. That means 2.5 million more. Now that's where the other area is going to come into concerns here. So you're looking at possibly 15 area, 16 area, just above 15. That's going to come into picture at some point.
Mm-hmm.
And they're going to do that slowly, okay? They're not going to do it all at once. You buy, they sell. You buy, they sell. That's what they're going to do. Anyway, guys, I'm going to turn off the live feed. I enjoyed it again this morning. Haven't done much for the last 20 minutes. $7,300 is what I've made. Positive, almost near 8,000. I have some more to cover. INVZ is a grinder. It's going to keep moving up. It's back at 275. It's going to have a lot of ups and downs. You can do both ways, dips, shorts, and longs. Probably 330 would be the ideal short entry on INVZ, 335. And 335 to 298. That would be an ideal first short on INVZ, 22 million volume. Hoth is, I'm very skeptical, yet I'm actually feeling positive right now the way it is. Skeptical in the sense that it's not going to drop much from here. positive. I think it's going to get to 240, 245. They might even test 280. Look out when the market opens. Volume is there, 35 million volume. Those big candles, mark it down, guys. Mark it down. This is the candle you're going to need. So let me show you what those candles are. Most people don't know how to long, okay? So I'm going to tell you the precise candle size right here. And you can learn more about it. This is what we do every day. So 1.3 million is a breakout candle. And that starts coming in at any time of the day. This will reach its peak and a little bit higher. Once these people show up, they're going to take it to a certain extent. Like say, for example, let me show you, go on a daily here. So first you are clear, this area is broken, 170 is broken. What's the next area? So next area is 245, all right? You guys can see this live on the screen, on the video. Look at that, that's the area, 245. After that, what's the next area? 330, been there with hot, okay? I know hot so well. And so at some point it's gonna break and it's gonna get there. It's 245, 177 is gone, already broken, so that's not a question. There's a minor area at 220 and a better area at 245. Volume is going to pick it up, news is good, everything is good about it. The pattern is good. I can go a lot more in depth, but join our trading room on Discord and we can talk about it. We'll be talking more with our team. Subscribe and like us if you're enjoying it, live feed. I'll continue to do it. Please do share our channel, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. You can go live, you can see us live on any of those channels. And I welcome you to join HXT. Trade with us 4 or 5 days. It doesn't cost you anything. You're going to enjoy. And we'll see you there. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm going to stop the live feed. I'm actually 5 minutes over, but that's okay.